Your two brothers. Say hi, brother. You want to say hi to your brother? There's your brother. No. Okay. Nope. Nope. Okay. Hey. Sing a song, sing a song, sing a song. Sing a song. I'm gonna pinch your ear. Nope. Don't do it. Say sing a song. My name is Carson. My name is Afton. We are two brothers born the same day. We are twins. Do 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 do. That's what we really are. We are so cute. I cannot stand it. They're so tiny. Look how tiny they are, please. They're still so tiny. Look at that. Look at those little babies. Look how tiny these little babies are. They're so tiny still. They're so tiny still. They're so tiny still. Oh my goodness. Y'all having a good time? Just play, play, play. Play, play, play. Oh, hi. What do you think about it? Hey. I'm gonna roll over. He said, I'll just roll over here and kicking. Look at them kicking. They're kicking and moving and kicking and moving and kicking and kicking and moving. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, they kick and move a lot. You say hi to your brother. Say hi to my brother. Can y'all say, oh, there's we'll fight. Oh, we'll fight each other. Kick, kick, kick. And hi. Hi, brother. Oh, you're hitting me. Don't hit me. Don't you do it. I'll hit you. I'll hit you. I'll get you. I will hit you. Don't do it. Don't do it. Oh, no. Hi. Say hi, brother. Oh, you're getting so mad at each other? Hey, get your Paci in there, hush. That's a bit crying. I'm getting sleepy. You're sleepy. Put yours in there and there you go. Get your Paci in there. Get your little Paci. Come on. Now then. Got my Paci. I got my Paci. Now we're okay. Now, I kicked it out. Get my Paci back in there. Okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. What in the world? Keep your Paci in there, Stinky. Keep my Paci in. Oh, I'm just so wild. I'm just so wild. I can't keep my Paci in. Can't do it. Oh my goodness. What in the world? We got two babies. Two sweet babies. They'll be 8 weeks old in 2 days. 8 weeks old in 2 days. Oh my goodness. They're so sweet. Oh, good Lord. Now you gotta put monkey in. Now you gotta put the monkey in. Now you gotta have your monkey. Where's yours? Get back in there. Where's your hippo? Where's the hippo at? Where's your hippo? What are you doing? You gonna steal his monkey and put it in your mouth? You can't have it. Nope. Don't you push him. Don't you hit him. Hey. Goodness sakes alive. Y'all are just crazy. So cute. They are so cute. My goodness. And they're just wild animals. Oh, kicking. They just kick. This is what they do the whole time. Kicking. Kick. Oh my goodness. Y'all are crazy. Y'all are crazy. You are just crazy boys. And they're kicking again, and they're kicking again. Okay. Kicking and kicking. Okay, let's go night-night.